My name is Ivan, and I'm product manager at Ably. And today I'm going to show you how you can control your Ably account programmatically using Ably Terraform Provider. Now, on the screen, you can see Visual Studio Code with 3 windows open. So on the left, I have Ably App Explorer that shows me the status of my Ably account. For example, right now I have one app in my Ably account. There's Terraform code in the middle and terminal on the right. So if you want to create a new app, for example, for a new project that you're working on, it's very easy with Terraform. You just write these several lines of code where you specify that you want to create app with this name that's enabled and it's TLS only. And of course, before that, you have to specify the Ably provider that you want to use. Now you run Terraform plan, and you can see that Terraform has figured out that in order to implement this change in configuration, it needs to create a new Ably app. And that's exactly what we're going to do by running Terraform apply, yes, and it's creating a new app. Let's check this in our App Explorer. Here we go. You can see that this new demo app has been just created. Now, let's imagine you want to provision something more sophisticated. For example, you want to add an Ably queue into this new app. And it's also very straightforward. You just write a configuration for this queue, which is name, some additional parameters. So Ably Terraform Provider supports all the configuration options that are available via Web Dashboard UI, also to be specified by Terraform. And again, we run Terraform plan, and we can see that Terraform has correctly picked up that it needs to create a new queue and Terraform apply. Yes. And here we go. Now let's check here. And we can see that in this demo app that we've just created, we have the new queue that we have specified right here. It also has created a dead letter queue automatically, which is exactly what we need. Now, imagine you want to build a new app now. It's very straightforward. You specify a new app. Let's call it demo app 2, run Terraform plan again. Terraform will figure out its new app. Great. Terraform apply. Perfect. This is exactly what we need. Now we have 2 new apps that we've specified via Terraform, demo app 2. And just to be clear, it has no queues in it because we haven't specified any queues for it or anything else whatsoever. Now, if you're working with this new app, at some point, you may decide, well, actually, I don't need this old app anymore. I'm not using it anymore. So cleaning up resources is very easy with Terraform. You just delete those old resources from configuration, and let Terraform do the heavy lifting. So let's run Terraform plan. Terraform is smart enough to figure out that in order to match the configuration that you have in the file, it needs to destroy these 2 resources that were created previously, Ably app and Ably queue. Now, let's implement these changes. Yes, I want to destroy my old resources. Let's check this here. And here we go. The demo app is gone. We only have the demo app 2 that we have just created here. This is exactly what we wanted. Now, let's say demo app 2 is kind of a boring name for the app, right? Let's call something more interesting. Production app, right? That's more interesting. And let's do Terraform plan again. So the magic of Terraform that it's actually able to figure out when it can not only create or destroy resources, but it can implement updates in place. For example, in this case, it's going to change the name of the app without destroying the app altogether. And this is exactly what we want. So we're going to run Terraform apply. Again, yes. And you'll see that it has changed the name of our app to production app. Now, we're really excited for you to try Ably Terraform Provider and to use it in your infrastructure as code setups. Please get in touch if you have any questions or feedback, and looking forward to hearing back from you. Thank you.